Welcome guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to restore font settings to default on Windows 10. So guys, if you want to restore font settings to default on Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly click on Start, type here Control Panel. After click on Control Panel, after click on Fonts. So list of fonts. After click on Font Settings, and here click Restore Default Font Settings. So click it, Restore Default Font Settings. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to restore font settings to default on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.